What's good, guys? Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. I'm Nate Law with VarTech Systems, and I'm here today to talk about the material and finishing options we have here at VarTech. While always open to custom requests, traditionally, VarTech has built their units in one of two types of metals, Mic 6 aluminum or 316 stainless steel. If you're looking for a lightweight option for your next computer or monitor, aluminum might be the way to go. At roughly 2.5 times lighter than stainless steel, aluminum is also an excellent electrical conductor and can be easily shaped and molded to meet almost any design needs. Here at VarTech, we pride ourselves in using industry finest Mic 6 aluminum for our most rugged, lightweight products. And we can even yellow chromate our aluminum interiors for a corrosion protective seal. On the other hand, if you find yourself in the market for something even more hardy, VarTech's 316 marine grade stainless steel units are perfect for jobs that really need the extra mile in durability. For fully sealed NEMA 4X or C1D1, C1D2 certified units, or food industry projects in need of an antibacterial metal, stainless steel units provide the robust, corrosion-proof strength needed for the industry's harshest environments. Last but not least, know that VarTech also offers eco-friendly polyester powder coating for almost every project in a wide range of colors and textures. And if you're looking to build something unique we haven't mentioned, we are ready to build a solution for you. Just find us at vartechsystems.com or give us a call.